Hello and welcome to Gapeys Garden. It's time for our last harvest of the season. This is the bed we've got all of our potatoes in, and as you can see, the vines or plants have all died back, and it was mostly because of the frosts we've had the last couple of weeks, so it's definitely time to get our potatoes harvested. They are underground, so they should be just fine from the freezes that we've had. So this is the tool that I like for the job. It's a pitchfork with some pretty wide tines, and that really gets deep down into this soil so that we could get our spuds up. All the potatoes that I grew this year were from true potato seed, which is the seeds. All right, Barry. They're seeds that were saved from potato berries. So I didn't save these seeds myself. I got them from the Kenosha Potato Project group on Facebook. And we have a pretty wide variety of potatoes in here, all different colors. So it was a wide mix of potatoes that we grew. And I think I grew about 16 to 18 plants. And I've already harvested a few that were just kind of poking up out of the ground. And I'm really looking forward to harvesting the rest. I hate it when that happens. That was a good one. Darn. This one. The size of that thing. Wow. Jeez. Well, the potato harvest is done, and we are now in the grow room where we are going to be curing our potatoes here on this wire rack for a couple of weeks, and that will toughen up the skin so that they will store much longer. Before we brought them in here though, we did wash them off with the hose outside to get rid of a lot of the the dirt and mud that was on the potatoes. They are pretty clean, but we'll definitely wash them again before we eat them. The ones that we did gouge with the fork, we will be eating those as soon as possible because those will go bad pretty quickly. But I think we had a pretty good harvest. I'm really happy with the variety that we got. So I'm going to be going through the potatoes and trying to decide which ones I want to save to grow again next year. But I'll definitely be growing some more true potato seeds next year as well. And also, I wanted to mention this really big one that we harvested. This ended up being 650 grams, which is about 1.4 pounds. So that is probably the biggest potato that I've ever grown. So that was pretty exciting. But we have, like I mentioned, a pretty good variety of red, purple, white, and yellow varieties to choose from. And if you're interested in growing true potato seeds and you're in the US, let me know in the comments below and I will send you some seeds because I still have quite a few seeds that I got from the Kenosha Potato Project. And I also posted a video last year on how to grow true potato seeds, so be sure to check that out. I'll put a link to that in the description of this video. Thanks for watching and we'll talk to you again soon. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.